Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been so dead lately. Something happened with my camera battery or my camera. I still haven't figured it out yet. But and it was basically just charging it and then going to use it in the morning and it wasn't turning on. So I got a new battery, so hopefully that problem's fixed. But anyways, let's get into the video. I bought a whole bunch of stuff since the VIB sale, so I'll be using a lot of that today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. But alright, let's get ready for work. So I went ahead and bought the Power Fabric foundation, which is too dark for me. It works when I'm tan, but just be aware I'm about to make a transformation. If you like this foundation, which is the Luminous Silk, but you want more coverage, I would definitely recommend the Power Fabric, which they're both completely different finishes and coverage, but if you're more of a full coverage person, definitely this one. Alrighty. I'm so tired, by the way. Oh my god. And then, oh my god, so I got the Milk Matte Bronzer, and I've been applying it 2 different ways, but lately I've been like warming it up on the back of my hand, and then just using my sponge. Or you can just go like that. The only reason I don't like to do that is because if I hadn't used it at all yet, it would just stick to the one spot. Which you can still do that, but I like to warm it up a little bit. Or you could even take a brush. Which I don't know if you'd use this brush, but something that's a little dense. And that works too, and that's why I like this, because you can apply it in whatever way that you want, and it's like a weird concept, at least to me. So, or you could even do this. The possibilities are endless, so whatever you feel comfortable with. And honestly, at first, when I saw this color, I was like, I don't know how I feel about it, but it's actually like the perfect color. It's very like natural, and I even put some on my nose, well, on the bridge of my nose. Because it makes like it makes it look like I just went tanning. Alrighty. Oh shoot. Should have put on my concealer. And then I got this baby version of the NARS one. 1 fluid ounce bottle. Look how tiny she is, but that's fine. Since I brought the bronzer pretty far up, I don't want to undo any of that, so I'm just using concealer right there. And next I'm going to be using this just to set that very inner corner part. So I just got this. I bought this for my professional makeup kit, but I figured I'd use it today so you guys could see how it works. And it comes with like a pump, and this you could do a couple different ways. You could use a brush, you could use a sponge, you could apply it with your finger. I like using my finger. Alright, so really quick, I'm just gonna throw some freckles on using my Freck XL. And I think I've said this like a couple times before, but I really like this product. Like, it's perfect for what it's supposed to do, but definitely overpriced. Another new thing that I've been using, just because I love the color, is this cute little brow box thing that I got from Marshall's. It's from Urban Decay, and it comes with mini spoolie, tweezer, and like eyebrow brush, but I don't really use that. I just keep it shut and use my own brush. And I like taking the lighter shade, even though I really could go for the darker one, but I honestly just do like a very natural fill. So yeah, here's one eyebrow, and this is my severely fucked up eyebrow. Alrighty, and this isn't any new product, but lately I've been using the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit, and by far this is the only brow gel that, like, really, when you put the product on, your eyebrows do not move, like, for real. But I noticed that if you get the product on your skin and you powder your face throughout the day, it sticks on the powder weird. So you have to be careful not to get it on your skin. And the spoolie is really weird. It's like flat and then has longer bristles on one side and shorter ones on the other. But it's nice because you could just put it right on. I've seen people do that, which I thought was kind of crazy, but I guess it works. And I just like to press in if I got any on my skin, because I do powder my face throughout the day. Alrighty, finally we're done. So yeah, that's been like my brow routine as of lately. Really fast, simple, natural, I feel like. So we're gonna do some Smokey liner. I like to use like a dense brush like this to smudge. I wish it was kind of smaller, maybe a different shape, but this was sent to me for free, so yeah. And I just bring it as close as possible to the lash line, and I don't bring it up because that's what we're going to be doing with the brush. And I only go about 3/4 of the way in, just because we can move it with the brush. You could see I stopped just about where my eye is, and then I only bring it like just a hint up, which looks so funny, but yeah, we're gonna blend it out, so it doesn't matter if the shape's crazy. So yeah, this is our end result. Actually just bought a Marc Jacobs dark brown pencil because I thought that I might like that better. It's more natural, more like everyday. And yeah, sometimes I don't really do the wing, I just do without it, but it looks so good with mascara. It really makes your eyelashes look more full. So yeah, that's been like what I've been doing, because it's kind of easier and it's just like really flattering. So yeah, this line looks crazy, but that's okay. Alrighty, and you can leave it at that and then just add mascara, or you can do this next step, which I've been doing very recently. As of like yesterday I did this and I really liked the way that it looked. By just bring it around and only do about, like, I don't even know, like the tiniest bit. Literally only go from about there to there. and I do it not on the waterline but just on the edge of the waterline and then just my skin, and then I use the dense packing brush and I just use that to smoke it out and kind of just move it around so it's like a nice really thin layer of that black, and it looks really nice and smoky. And nothing intense because I really don't like putting mascara or anything on the bottom. How do we like? I really like it. Also, I just wanted to say that Nikki Makeup on Instagram is basically my whole entire inspiration for this kind of look, because she always does this on her clients, and I just love it. Yesterday when I did this look, I had put mascara on the bottom, so I don't think I'm going to today. I knew I was forgetting something. Okay, so during the sale, I also got this from Bobbi Brown in Lychee Baby, and that is their crushed liquid lipstick. This color is one of those colors that like looks really weird at first, and then it looks really good. But yeah, this color can take a little bit of finessing. I kind of like to like almost blot it off a little bit just so it's not so intense. You can wear these with lip liner, but I just kind of throw it on and let it do its thing. I don't know. But one thing I will say that's annoying as hell is like it comes off very easily. I find myself having to apply this like 5 times a day, but I'm the type of person that does that anyways with chapstick or anything else I'm using, so like can't complain too much there, but whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look, smoky liner, and tune in for the next one, which praying that everything's good with the camera so we don't gotta worry about anything. I will see you guys soon, and please like, comment, and subscribe to the video, and let me know what you got during the VIP sale. But alrighty guys, bye.